How to sell your gaming PC at the highest price possible and as fast as possible. Well, that's what we're covering here today at ImWateringPSUs as a part of my Become a PC Builder / PC Flipper series. So welcome back and let's get started immediately. Now, the first thing you should do is understand roughly the value of your gaming PC, because you don't want to price it out of the market. And to do that, I recommend you guys go and check out my video on how to understand the current PC market in your area, part of this series. Now, once you know a rough estimate of the price, we can still aim to get a little bit more. I actually recommend you guys start a little bit higher with the price, but not too high. Leave yourself a little bit of wiggle room, but start with the lowest price you'd be happy with, pretty much, plus 50 bucks, let's say, because we want to be as fast as possible with this. I don't believe in pricing your PC too high to see if it's worth it. I believe in doing some proper market research and knowing what it's worth and asking for that. Now, how do we get to what it's worth? That's a whole completely different topic, but that's the topic of today's video. And that is by making a proper ad and by posting the ad in the right places. So let's start with the places, because it's a lot easier than actually making a proper ad. So you should post your PC for sales, basically everywhere. The more places you post it into, the better the chance you have. Now, after a while, you will start doing this. You can then restrict to save time to the 2 or 3 best places. For example, I'm from Italy. In Italy, I mostly sell my PCs on Facebook Marketplace and subito.it, which is a website which is not paying me, unfortunately. And there are other websites, but I just don't list my computers there because I've never sold one there, or I sold just one in 10 years of work. So it's not worth my time to have it posted, basically. In Facebook, make sure you post your PC on groups as well. Even though you will get a lot of comments, a lot of backlash, it's still extra exposure, so it's worth it. If you're someone that doesn't really like bad comments, then just post it on Facebook without groups and your preferred marketplace in your area for sure. Now on to the difficult part, making a proper ad. Now, I will leave down below in the description a little template of how you can do an ad, and it will be in English. Now, I sell my computers in Italian because I'm Italian, so my Italian template is different, but I will make one for you guys in English, and you can try to roughly translate it to your language or ask AI to translate it for you and make a similar one. But really, when it comes to the ad, the important thing is that you are upfront and list the key part of your computer while highlighting the strong points, and then, very important, giving a reference of what the PC can do. For example, X FPS in Apex Legends or in Fortnite or in Warzone, but pick competitive, popular multiplayer titles, because that's what people care about the most. You don't want to put like Red Dead Redemption FPS there, because less people care about it. Even though it's a heavy game and it's a great benchmark, it's less requested. You also want to tell people how you're selling your computer, for example, only face-to-face or if you're shipping, and you also want to tell them if you're giving any warranty. If you are giving warranty, it's important you highlight it because it's a big selling point. And I think if you're doing this as a side hustle, you definitely should give warranty. It's also good practice. And if you're building a good PC, you shouldn't be worried about warranty. You will have to pay some money every now and then to fix stuff, but it's going to be worth it over time in returning customers. Now, with the template aside, you also want to use some emojis to make your description look a little bit more appealing to the eye, but don't overdo it, because then it's gonna look just trashy or too much AI made. Another thing, even if you copy my template or if you do it with AI, make sure you rewrite it with your own style. I know it's boring, I know we are in the age of everything done for us, but if you do it, it's gonna sound a little bit more human, and selling is an art, and this is part of it. Title should be very straightforward. It should be the following. It should be GPU first, okay, and then gaming PC, and then CPU. And then if there is still space, you should put maybe the RAM and the storage. For example, RTX 5060 gaming PC with Ryzen 7 and 700X, 32 gigs / 1 terabyte NVMe. Something like this. It's a bit long, but it's good for SEO and people will find it. The most important part of the ad, yes, is a good description, but it rivals with 2 things: title and pictures. Pictures are very important because, first of all, they make people click. If they don't click on the ad when they're scrolling, there's no point in having a good ad. And the second part is people usually buy if they like the product. So your PC has to be pretty. Now, we cover that in the actually building the PC, in that part of the series, but let's assume your PC is done at this point. You want to find the perfect spot to take pictures on. You want to take pictures during daylight, unless you have a studio like mine with photography lights, but even there, daylight is better almost all the time. And ideally you want to place the PC on a desk and remove the clutter. So you want a clean desk with the PC on it, and ideally with a monitor behind it just to show the PC turns on. But even with no monitor, just a desk, clean background is what you're after. The background has to match the colors of your computer. So if you're getting more advanced with this, I would recommend getting a few backgrounds and taking different pictures with different backgrounds, but making sure, this is again when we get really advanced, that it is recognizable that it's you, because this makes for a better portfolio. If you have to show your builds to someone, it's better. And when we will have to build a website after a while, if we start getting serious and getting employees, it's gonna really help you to have a backtrack of stuff. But if you're just selling your computer, just clean up your desk, get a clean background, nothing personal, nothing weird in the background, and take some good pictures. Now, for pictures, I will put on a slideshow here of some of my old builds of what I think are good pictures to sell a computer. They don't have to be crazy, you know. It's just try to copy my angles, okay? These are not even pictures I use to sell a computer, but they are pictures taken in the right angle. You basically want to take as the front picture a 3/4 picture like you would of a car, and then you want to take a side picture, front picture, picture of the inside, and then if the PC has something unique, make sure you highlight that, for example, a cool fan or a cool GPU, get dedicated picture for that too. Make sure you always max out the number of pictures available on the website you're posting on, and even if you have to take basically slightly different angles of essentially the same picture, is still good, because those platforms, they are still algorithmic and they reward people who stay longer on an ad. The longer you can keep a person there, the better it's going to be to get your ad recommended to more people. So yes. Now, if the PC has a defect, like a little scratch somewhere, I think it's important, very important, you guys list it in the description, but don't take a dedicated picture about it, okay? You are saying it in the description and you can still show it to the customer, make sure you do, but just don't put a bad picture or a picture of something that's bad, because it's going to detract from the interest your PC is getting. Now, some people put little plants and various things next to the PC. I think that's more advanced. If you are becoming a professional PC flipper, definitely get yourself maybe a Funko Pop, maybe a plant to put right next to the PC, that helps. But if you're just selling your own PC, clean background always wins, and that's really all you need. So with that said, you want to then post your ad, and the last important thing is make sure you guys answer everyone who writes you as fast as you can. Now, I don't mean lose your life answering to people, but really try to get back to people fast, because sales are done quickly and you want to be on your toes. I know it's annoying, but it's basically the only negative of this is that the sale part is a little bit annoying. People can come and go at any hours. You have to move your plans around, but that's how you get the sale done, and that's how you get your PC sold fast. With that said though, I know you guys are very good with PC building and PC flipping as well. I am very good community and I'm happy with. So if you have any advice of your own, please drop a comment down below. And if you like the video, drop a like and subscribe. You can also now become a member to support me, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.